Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water eStore and the Water Store, Midland, Ontario. Today we're talking about troubleshooting a WaterBoss high efficiency water softener with a blank display in 4 easy steps. WaterBoss high efficiency water softeners give you an extremely long service life and are super reliable. If you're looking for free shipping and discount pricing on these, just click the link up here. It'll take you right to our e-commerce website. So we can start by removing the lid. Just grab it from the back where the plumbing comes in and out, lift and separate it, and the lid pops right off. So let's check the obvious first. Is the water softener plugged in? So here's the cord, and this would be illuminated if it's plugged in. So is there hydro at the outlet? The other thing to make sure of is that wherever it's plugged in, that it's not a switched outlet. In other words, when you go into this room, you turn on a switch, it turns the power on to the water softener, but when you leave the room, you turn the switch off, and then turns the power off to the water softener too. So the next thing would be to test the transformer to make sure it's working correctly. So with a voltmeter like this one here, all that you would do is unplug this, put one lead on the inside, and one lead on the outside, and you see it's reading about 15 volts, and that's correct. So that means that the transformer is definitely working correctly. And so by the way, if the transformer wasn't working correctly, or if you needed a new controller, if you can follow the link that's up here in the top right hand corner, that takes you to our e-commerce store where we offer free shipping and discount pricing on replacement parts for WaterBoss water softeners. So if you're getting 12 volts, if you're getting about 15 volts coming from this transformer, but you're still getting nothing being illuminated, or the controller here is blank, that means you need a new controller. Now the other thing to watch for is if you're in an area that's very warm, or the water softener is in an area where it's very warm, 120 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer, that would also, the display would go blank, but it would still be working perfectly. So just watch for that when you're doing your troubleshooting. And a word of advice, I always suggest plugging into a surge suppressor. Because of the electronics involved here, as with any electronics product, be that a computer, television, whatever, always best to plug it into a surge suppressor, cheap insurance. To replace the lid, you just hook it in at the front and snap it down at the back. If you're looking for some more help with maintenance and troubleshooting of a WaterBoss high efficiency water softener, just click the link up here. That'll take you right to our playlist. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all the new videos that become available on this channel. I'd also really appreciate it if you could share this video with your Facebook friends. For some more information, you go to our websites, either thewaterestore.com or thewaterstoremidland.com. And again, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store, Midland, Ontario.